Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So today's video is about 5 reasons to wait for Galaxy S22 Ultra. First up, S Pen is making a comeback. The Galaxy S21 series is the first Galaxy S series to support the company's S Pen stylus. Unsurprisingly, it looks like the Galaxy S22 will support the S Pen as well, but unlike S21 Ultra, you don't need a special case to place your S Pen. Check out this black variant of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. It's clearly a dummy unit, but it still looks great, and there is the built-in S Pen. We should also see some S Pen software upgrades as well. We will let you know when we learn more. Now moving on to the next point, we have the processor. Per usual, you can expect the Galaxy S22 to come with an Exynos processor in some markets and a Qualcomm chipset in others. It's said the global version and the Middle East version of the Galaxy S22 Ultra will be with the Exynos 2200, while in US it's the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. The interesting here is the Exynos One. Previously, it's been said that compared to the current Exynos 2100, the peak performance will improve by 31 to 34%, while sustained performance will go up by 17 to 20%. Note that these numbers are based on pre-release hardware and software, and maybe the results will be different for the final product. And a recent leak mentions that the CPU will see only 5% improvement while the GPU will gain 17% and the AI will be a massive 117%. If that's the case, then it is more or less disappointing. Whatever the case may be, it is too early to say anything about the Exynos 2200, but we hope to see some major improvements in performance for S22 series. Next up is the cameras. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is rumored to feature the same camera specs as its predecessor. Still, Samsung's upcoming flagship phone is rumored to offer a massive image and video quality upgrade. So how's that gonna be? Well, thanks to important software optimization and AI enhancement, the device will reportedly capture pictures and videos with high brightness, improved colors, and more details with the help of the AI-powered detail enhancement tool. Also, it reportedly uses Wild Shift OIS for 58% improved video stabilization. Moreover, the smartphone is rumored to feature 12-bit, that is 68 billion colors video capture using Pro mode, thanks to Super HDR colors and the Super ISO Pro feature. It is also said to feature improved colors and lower noise in videos. Next is the display. In August this year, Samsung developed a new OLED panel. The test revealed that Samsung Display's E5 OLED panel has excellent color reproduction, coverage of 112% DCI-P3 and 140% sRGB color space, full screen peak brightness of 980 nits and low APL brightness of 1500 nits. Samsung will definitely use this panel, so all in all, in addition to being a 6.8-inch large OLED display, it will also get bright, colorful LTPO back panel with 120Hz refresh rate, and it will look gorgeous as always. Finally, the software. The Galaxy S22's status as the company's flagship also ensures you will get the best version of Android 12 and Samsung's One UI. Older devices sometimes miss out on the software features due to hardware limitations, and that's the risk you take buying an older model over the newer one. Also, with the S Pen now built directly into the S22's chassis, it will be great to see some new tools and apps taking advantage of everything the stylus has to offer. So well, that concludes our video. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.